reporters say the column now seems to number in excess of 4,000 people. It's been joined since early this morning by young and old, and in spite of rain, which set in late in the morning, the march's spirits are still high.
We are marching to Parliament, and no more land to be sold.
She was the mother of our nation. She walked 1,000 Ks. Te whaia o te motu, Dame Whina Cooper ko tana pakanga noa. She fought for us all, kia moi moia. She dreamed we could live as one.
Te mana, te tapu.
5,000 marches walked into Parliament.
The flow of the mounds into the
Not
city.
one acre more was the cry of her lament. Ko rātou e mata ki te me te kaha, kia tū. He roi mata ki te whenua.
Everybody is able to express their views.
Whina, walk of freedom. Te roku mata ki te aroha mo te whenua.
Stick the wahine in the ground.
Whina, walk of freedom. Lead us with your vision. Kaua ko te pakia no te ka.
We are awake.
Born in 1895.
I want to come to him.
She died at 98. 1 million people watched the broadcast of her wake.
Much more to do.
Oh, Mahara,
Could you have
te ropu, mata kite. She walked to bring our people change. Whina, walk of freedom. Te ropu mata kite. Aroha mo te whenua.
te mana?
Whina, walk of freedom. Lead us with your vision. Kaua ko te pakia no e ka. Kaua ko te takia no e ka.
There is the prophet one.
Kaua ko te takia no e ka.
This land is ours.
Dame Whina Cooper was her name.
We are
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Taiki
In Māori terms, is referred to as Te Whaia o te motu, the mother of the land, the mother of the country.
Not 1 acre more. Not 1 acre more. Not 1 acre more. Kia kaua ko te takia no e ka.
God's laws. And in those laws it says, by the sweat of thy brow thou shalt eat bread. Not by the sweat of somebody else and you sit down and doing nothing.